What's up, everyone? Today we are doing an axle on my S13 because mine's clicking and making weird humming noises. So I think it's time for a new one. Also, the boot is ripped, so it's flinging grease everywhere. But hey, who cares, right? I'll just clean that on the way in. This is actually the passenger side. Quick note, I got this from AutoZone. It was only like $63 or so. So keep in mind that the driver and passenger side are different sizes. It's good to pull your old one out first and then make sure you measure it, just to make sure. You never know, but I'm gonna take their word. Hopefully this is the right one. Okay, so you're gonna need a 36 mil for the axle nut. I'm gonna break it loose on the car so that I don't have to fight it. You're gonna have to take off tow arm, camber arm, and track link. I think that's how you say it. And these are all like 19, so you just, this one, take this one off, then that one, and then, oh, your coilover. Once you do that, pull this whole assembly forward, and then you're gonna get those guys back there, which I'll show you in a minute. All right, so this arm's off, coilover off, top arm off for the camber arm, this arm's off right there. Rotor is still on, but took the caliper off. Now I'm just gonna get those bolts in there. What I like to do, even though I'm not reusing this, is stick the old nut over the threads and hit it with a hammer. So now basically what I'll be able to do is loosen those guys, spin it around, and then take this shit off. All right, guys. So taking the passenger axle out, there's gonna be 2 bolts here, 2 bolts back here, and 2 more up here. You want to get 12 on the front and the back. Here on the passenger side, you just want to rotate these bolts in, basically take them out like this. You're just going to hold the opposite directions and then take these guys out. So, pretty simple. This is actually really easy. I figured it would be harder. I just use a little bit of WD-40 just to loosen them up. Whether or not you believe that works or not, I trust it. Extremely grateful this is a Florida car, otherwise this might really suck. But this is another reason why I'm replacing this, because if you look in here, oh yeah, that's disgusting. That looks like homemade mustard or some shit. So, got the old one out, and I was wondering what the humming noise was. I think I found it. Your axle shouldn't do that. So, I mean, this isn't that bad, but yeah, she's toast. Oh. So going out with the old and in with the AutoZone brand, even though it's new. So hopefully no more noise. All right, we got the new boy in there. You can't really see it, but anyway, it's in there. So that was done. Easy job. All done. All fun.